Murid, under no compulsion. Allah has His own discretion in all affairs. He does not do anything under compulsion. Allah made everything and everything belongs to Him. He can do whatever He likes without having to ask anyone. Now, when they came back from their holiday, Yusuf really wanted a cat. So he prayed to Allah, but he did not get one. He was very sad because he thought Allah was not listening to him. The next day, Yusuf went to his friend's house. He was very happy to see a cat there, so he started playing with it and wished Allah would listen to him and let him have a cat. Suddenly, he started feeling sick. The reason was because he was allergic to cats. That was perhaps the reason why Allah did not answer his prayer. Now, Yusuf understood that Allah is al-Murid. He can do whatever He wants, but He always does what is good for us only.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
He is not questioned about what He does, but they will be questioned.
إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Indeed, Allah does what He wills.